the quiet voice. I'm just trying to be mindful of everybody else in the house right now, but you know, it's Valentine's time, or Galentine's, friend times, whatever, family times. It's actually a really good story if you haven't watched it, to know like who Valentine was and stuff. Very interesting. We watched a movie about it when I was in like middle school. But anyways, today we're gonna be doing something pink inspired, purple, and you know, colors, pretty colors. So stay tuned. Now don't be mad, but I already low-key did my lip combo without y'all. So as usual, NYX for the gloss, and it's the Bring the Bling, and what is this, creme brulee? Yes. And then hi you guys, I wanted to impart with you guys today, after prayer with God, the verse that came to me was James chapter 5 verse 2, which is a verse that I have been thinking about for a while. It says, your riches are corrupted and your garments are moth-eaten. Now this is a rebuke for rich men that James was giving. In verse 3 it says, your gold and silver is cankered, and the rust of them shall be a witness against you, and shall eat your flesh as it were fire. Behold, the hire of the laborers who have reaped down your fields, which is of you kept back by fraud, crieth, and the cries of them which have reaped are entered into the ears of the Lord of Sabaoth. Ye have lived in pleasure on the earth and been wanton. Ye have nourished your hearts as in a day of slaughter. Now skipping to verse 8. Be ye also patient, establish your hearts, for the coming of the Lord draweth nigh. What's scary about this is the fact that these people are wealthy on earth, but their actions reflect impure hearts. Now, I was with my women's Bible study this weekend, and what we talked about was being virtuous, not just being beautiful on the outside, but being adorned on the inside. And so that's the focus for today. Just brown lip pencil on the top. We're not going to be doing too much, but we're going to be doing just enough. Okay. First, I'm going to start with doing eyebrows. I'm just going to take this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil and fill in the front. Oh my gosh, how rude of me. I forgot to ask you guys how you're doing. But, I have another video that should be coming out soon. I filmed it before this one, but I think I'll probably end up dropping this one first, so in case I do, my apologies for not seeing you guys in so long. How rude of me to not check in. I think, yeah, that's it for the brows. And then for the eyes, actually we're gonna go in with color. It's kind of like a peach. Can you guys see that? Not really. Yeah, this one. Put some pretty light on my lid, which I like a lot. So my eye is literally red. I don't know why. I think maybe it's the mascara maybe got my eye. I don't know at this point. Eyes can be very interesting, and they kind of sometimes just do what they want to do, which I don't always appreciate, by the way, but it is what it is. I'm kind of doing my eyeshadow backwards because usually I start out with the crease shade and the transition shade, but I guess we're not doing that today. Yeah. Outer. Sorry, I had to like think for a second. I was like, what was I about to do? For the outer though, we're gonna take I was actually gonna do brown, but like I'll add a little pink just to see, because this is a really hot pink. Put on the outer edge and just blend, just to kind of give it like a rosy-ish type of feel. But I really want to just be more of a brown type of neutral. So now that I added kind of like that pink, I'm gonna go in with this brown shade. This one's a little bit more pinky. So yeah, I think I'll go with this one. And this one's just gonna go in the outer lid and also in the crease. And this one's not too pigmented, so I'll probably go in with the darker shade from the Anastasia palette. But this is just gonna kind of start us off a little bit base-wise, so that we have a foundation for where the darker shade will go. And here I'm just kind of deepening the crease, just to add, you know, a little bit of curvature, a little bit of dimension to the lid, you know, carving out the lid, as one might say. I should make a soundtrack for my video, but maybe I'll do it where it's just ASMR. There's no beat, no instruments. It's literally just me humming and then humming again and then like thumping the microphone on my phone, so that way, you know, that'll be the bass, I guess. Yeah, so stay tuned. If I drop the album, I hope you guys support and come to my concert and nominate me for like a Grammy or something. Thanks. And now we're adding glitter. Glitter makes the lids pop. We've already carved out the lid, and now we must make the lid pop. You see that sparkle, you see that shine, a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of radiance. The light is hitting on, yes. Now we're going in with a wee bit of pink, just a touch, a dollop of pink. Make this a little bit rosier, a little bit more Valentine-y, but still sticking to the brown culture that we've already set for the lid. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Good. Very good. And I believe we're adding finishing touches. Yes, yes. Add some shine to the nasal. Add some shine to the nasal, to the inner corners. Make those eyes pop even more. The brow bone pop even more. And again, apparently. And do not forget the top of your lip. No, never forget. It ties it all in together. Oh my golly. And I guess we're making the lid pop a little bit more. Fear not, fret not. It's all part of the process. Do you trust the process? If you're still here, then good. Now we're going to go in with some liner. Add a little bit of a baby wing. I was going to stop using that accent. I don't really know what I'm doing anymore, but I can't stop, so I won't stop, okay? Anywho, blush. It's time for blush. We must finish with the delight of blush. A little bit of pink goes a long way. And Valentine's Day is a very pink day, so we blended that out, lined our lips, added our mascara. Okay, we're almost out the freakling door. Do you hear me? I hope you guys enjoyed. I know a large part of it is voiceover, which is a little bit different, but this is the look. Pinky, brownie type of Valentine's, family times type of look. So anywho, I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. Don't feel lonely either, okay? Because there's candy. But yeah, be happy, be healthy, and all that jazz. And I'll see you guys next time. Hi, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. And it's trippy because I'm realizing like we're coming up on, I believe, a year of kind of like uploading to my YouTube channel. And I think that this is so crazy how quickly time has gone by, and just like the season of life that I'm in now versus last year. It's just very trippy to do a comparison. But today I want to speak to you guys about repentance, but more so that it's a gift. It's a gift that God has given us, and it's a privilege because it gives us a chance to seek out mercy from the Lord and his mercy, and he's happy to give it because God doesn't take joy in punishing us, but he does it because he loves us so that we'll be perfected. But this reading is going to be from Psalms chapter 32. Blessed is the one whose transgressions are forgiven, for his sins... Let me start over. Blessed is the one whose transgressions are forgiven, whose sins are covered. Blessed is the one whose sin the Lord does not count against them, and in whose spirit is no deceit. When I kept silent, my bones wasted away through my groaning all day long. For day and night your hand was heavy on me. My strength was sapped as in the heat of summer. Then I acknowledged my sin to you and did not cover up my iniquity. I said, I will confess my transgressions to the Lord, and you forgave the guilt of my sin. Therefore let all the faithful pray to you while you may be found. Surely the rising of the mighty waters will not reach them. You are my hiding place, and you will protect me from trouble and surround me with the songs of deliverance. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. Do not be like the horse or the mule, which have no understanding but must be controlled by bit and bridle, or they will not come to you. Many are the woes of the wicked, but the Lord's unfailing love surrounds the one who trusts in him. Rejoice in the Lord and be glad, you righteous. Sing, all you are upright in heart.